Oh. No, 9 o'clock. My date with Amy.
What's up, guys? It's Amy. Did you miss me?
I missed you.
Hey, Mike Dog Lover 123. How are you? How's your vacation?
Oh my God! She's talking to me! Is this really happening? Is anyone seeing this? Okay, what should I say? Okay, I got it. Gorgeous. I am sitting in the sun, with my friends, drinking. Pina coladas.
That sounds amazing. Okay, guys, this time I have a new batch of dog treats for you. Do your puppies like snacks?
Yeah, they love them.
In addition to the new dog treats, I have a new fluffy dog toy, and it's only $500 and you can get one personally signed by yours truly. But you have to act fast because there is a limited supply.
Are you for real? Shit.
Guys, I'm gonna count to 3.
Don't count to 3.
2.
No!
3.
5. No!
Alright guys, they've all sold out. Thank you so much for your support. I love all you dog enthusiasts out there. See you guys tomorrow.
Why? Stupid. I'm so bad. No credit card. Stupid monitor.
Pedestal, you got that name rock, you got that pretty smile, you got my chain locked. You're the only one with the key, you know that's hot. You never hold back, you tell it how it is. You always lay it down, even though it might offend. But you got a sweet side, you chill, never hype. You're my kind of girl, baby, that's what I like.